Hi everybody, this is 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we have this new exciting Kickstarter project from Shargeek. It's now available on Kickstarter. So this is the box that you'll get if you order the Starship Seer. That's this battery right here. And we'll turn it on so you can see what's going on. It has a clock, it has an alarm. I've set the time already on that. They even give you some cool stickers right there. They give you a manual how this works right here. So this is a 10,000 milliamp battery. It's rated for 5,800 milliamps. Here's the stickers that they include, which I like a lot. So those are neat right there. This has the button on the side, some badging on top. You can still see through it right here. All their products are really see-through. It's really fun to see that. You have USB-A, USB-C. Over 30 watts you can get from this battery right here. Here is the charging cable integrated in to like a lanyard piece. So you just take that off like that. And you have the two USB-C ends right there. This is a lightning tip to charge your iPhone, and you just plug it in like that. It's totally usable on the other part of the cable, like that. And there's enough room here that even if you have a case, you'll have no issue plugging that in. And then they give you a retro 35 watt charger. It's a retro Mac type device. There's the flip out prongs right there. 35 watts GaN Fast. You get one USB-C charging port up there. So you can use this to charge this. And when you press the button, it shows you what percentage the battery is at. I charged it up a little bit, so it's at 99%. And this will turn into a countdown timer depending on if you're charging another device or if you're sending power in. So it'll tell you how much time left to charge it or how much time is left on the battery altogether. So you get the cable with the lightning tip, you get the 35 watt retro Mac charger, you get the cool stickers right here and some information on how to run the device, like right there, and this neat box. So you can go through each one. You just press and hold down on the power button on the side and it will boot back up into time. It also has an alarm function as well. This is the Starship Seer, and this crowdfunding project is available now. The link will be below. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.